Hi guys. So now we're in in the lobby,
On the,
at
on
the
the lobby.
lobby
At the lobby.
of our hotel, Ibis Singapore,
Novena.
Novena, and we're waiting for our driver and tour guide to pick us up. Kasi we're going to one, two, three, go. Night Safari.
Ay, sorry. Night Safari pala.
One, two, three, go.
Night Safari. Ang gaga natin.
Kasi
Hindi,
sabi nila,
5:10 tayo
5:10 pa
dumating
lang.
dito.
Kasi sabi nila 5 minutes before the pickup, which is
Mm.
5:15. Dapat
Mhm.
nandun ko na sa lobby. So, 5:10 nandito na kami. Pero 5:26 na, wala pa rin sila.
Baka na traffic. Yan, mukha pa kaming bagong gising. Kasi
Because
bagong
we
gising.
really are. Mali pala yung 4:50 tayo nagpaalam.
4:50.
Hindi pala namin kaya yun, guys. Dahil dapat 20 minutes before pa. Kasi mag-makeup pa ako. Sabog pa si Paul.
Mhm.
Marami pa akong gagawin.
Yes. Ano po yung boses ko? Parang malalim pa kasi ano. Oh, deep voice.
No?
Bagong
Boys.
gising. So, ito po ang aming vlog.
Vlog guys. So 30 minutes ang biyahe papunta doon, and then there's like another ride throughout the night safari. Ah, we're here!
We're here!
Ikot, 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 ikot. Ah.
Here! So ngayon, naglalakad lang kami punta. Saan ba? Kung saan sa Night Safari talaga.
Ayun o, nakalagay na
Ayun.
sa taas.
Medyo malayo pa so kung saan kami binaba.
Postcards? Notebook? Sayang.
Si notebook lady. Laging bumibili ng notebook.
Kay Jared. Ano
ba
to?
yun?
Ito, parang blocks. Parang
Ay,
Legos
parang
in a
black.
way. Wow!
Ito nga. Cute.
59. Oh my gosh. Ito oh. Wow,
Tiger.
$60. Grabe mahal.
Nice.
Ah!
Yung cookies.
Lemon pepper chocolate. Ooh.
Almond blueberry.
Ito, 35. Okay, last. We got the last oat milk
Last
chocolate.
na ano.
So we get $35 only for the 4 flavors of chocolate. Last na yun. What is this? Oh my gosh, cute.
Ano yan? Ay,
Mosquito
na pala.
repellent. Um, ooh.
Oh.
Okay. $10
$10 more.
Ah, 5? How?
$10.
$10. Keychain
Ay,
or magnet.
asan yung magnet? White tiger.
How much?
Nasa likod to usually. $8.
8. And we need how much?
10.
Ay, dalawa.
Dalawa ito.
Ito. Maganda yung ano, ganito.
Magnet na lang.
Oo. Ayun. Oh, isang
Ayan.
ganyan. Tapos, isa na ulit.
Ito, $10 na to. Ano
Ayan
pa?
na. Okay na lang. 10 lang.
Ah. This one.
Kumuha kami ng $10 worth kasi we're going to get a tote bag. Free gift with purchase.
Can I tap now?
It's a bag.
Yeah. Thank you.
Is it a bag? Bag ba?
Bag.
Ilagay na lang natin dyan.
Can we open this now here so we can put?
Okay,
Wait,
okay.
please.
We'll put the chocolate there.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
String bag.
Let's go.
Let's go. Ako naman suot ngayon. Wait, saan na yun?
Alam, kita mo na?
Hmm.
Eh? Ikot tayo dito, mabilis lang. Oh yeah? Ben and Berries.
Ben and Jerry.
Oh, you want? Ben and Jerry's
Hi, Jerry's pala.
ice cream. You want ice cream?
No? Masyado
No?
lang maraming sweets.
Wow.
So, nakapag-shopping na kami. Meron kaming chocolates and magnet.
Ang cute ng
Tapos may
magnet
free pa
wooden
na.
siya.
Oo nga, no? Tapos may free pa na string bag. Tapos balik na kami kasi 7 p.m. daw mag-start.
Ilabas na natin ang ating secret weapon. Sa mainit. Shopsuki. Nakarating na po sa Singapore ang ating Shopsuki.
Oo. Endorser ng
kaabot-
Shopsuki yan.
kaabot
Shopsuki, ano na? Baka naman.
Shopsuki, sana. Nakarating na ng Singapore.